What's the meaning of carburettor? Carburettor. Carburettor.
Carburettor. Carburettor. A carburetor is a device used in the internal combustion engine of a vehicle to mix air and fuel for combustion. It typically consists of a tube with a narrow section called a venturi, which creates a vacuum that draws fuel into the tube through a nozzle. The fuel and air mixture is then sent to the engine for ignition. A properly functioning carburetor ensures efficient fuel consumption, smooth engine operation and optimal performance. However, due to advancements in technology, many modern vehicles use fuel injection systems instead of carburetors.